Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Tech Tools. When you are new to Simulink, it's really important to learn how to create sine wave in Simulink because in very small and big simulation, somewhere we are going to use sine waves, right? So it's very important to know how to create sine wave. So in this video, I am going to show you how to create the sine waves. So at first, here we are in Simulink library. So double click on it, the search bar will automatically get opened. So to generate sine wave, at first we need a sine wave generator. Just write the name sine and it will automatically show us the sine. Then click sine wave function and press enter. So it will show here. Then we need a scope. Double click on it and just write scope. Press enter and it will show it here. Then just join it. That's it. And double click on it. Then double click on sine wave function. And here you can see the sine type. The sine type is time based and sample based. So for this, right now we are going to use time based. And then time t. It is for external signal and use simulation time. So here we will use simulation time and its amplitude is 1, bias is 0, frequency 1 and phase is 1. So just click OK, then run, then double click on scope and you can see the sine wave is here. And if you change the frequency, like here we can change all the values. Like if we select the amplitude as 5, then click enter, then run, then double press on scope. And you can see the amplitude is right now the 5. Then double click on sine wave. If the frequency is 2, enter, then run, then double click on scope and you can see the frequency is increased. So it's very easy to use. I hope you guys learned about it. Thank you. Thanks for joining us.